Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss another algorithm design technique, that is greedy approach. So in this we are going to discuss what is control abstraction or general method or control abstraction. Control abstraction for the greedy approach. What is this greedy approach? Greedy approach is for a given problem is having a number of solutions. Suppose you have number of inputs. A given problem consisting of input 1, input 2, input 3 and so on. N inputs your given problem may have. Among all these inputs, select one input. Select one input. Okay. After selecting this input, find out whether this is a feasible solution. Whether that solution or that input is feasible or not. What is meant by feasible solution? Feasible solution is a solution which satisfies the given constraints. We are selecting one input from the given problem. Okay, or given number of inputs. Select one input from the given set of inputs. Find out whether that input is feasible or not. What is meant by feasible? It has to satisfy the constraint. If it is feasible, then we will add that input to the solution. Like that, all inputs are added. So to get the final solution. Now see how to write the algorithm control abstraction for this general method greedy approach. Now algorithm. So greedy approach. Okay, the given problem consisting of number of inputs, n number of inputs. Initially there is no solution, so that's why initially solution does not containing anything. Solution is fine. Now we will select one by one from the given inputs for I equal to 1 to n 2. We have to select one input from the given n inputs. So that we are storing in X. Select one input from the given inputs that is stored in X. Find whether that input is feasible or not. That means if is it feasible? Feasible. So to the solution, already previous some solution is there for that solution. So we are checking whether this X is feasible or not. If it is feasible, then we will add that input to the solution. Solution equal to union of that solution. We have to add that input X. What is the input here? We have assumed this X. Checking whether that X is feasible or not. If it is feasible, then add solution of X. Like that you have to repeat this process for the given number of inputs, n number of inputs. Finally, we have to return the solution. Return the solution. This is control abstraction or a general method for greedy method. What are the applications of this greedy method? The applications here are one is knapsack problem, okay, and second one is minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree. Then optimal merge patterns. Optimal merge patterns. And then last one is single source shortest path algorithm. Single source shortest paths. These are the applications we are going to discuss in this greedy approach. Okay, so hope you understand, students, the control abstraction of greedy approach and the applications. In the next videos, we are going to discuss these applications one by one. So thank you, students. If you understand the concept, please share with your friends so that they can learn the concepts. Okay, thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.